Alright, I'm gonna make my brother and my cousin fight. The thing is, I only have one pair of gloves.
Fuck.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Fuck yeah, nigga. I'm gonna fuck that nigga.
Alright, do you think you're gonna win?
I don't lose. Haven't lost my virginity, haven't lost anything. It's just I don't lose, you know?
About to go stupid again. She out the roof of the biz. I'm about to do it.
Bitch. What up, bitch? Bitch.
Gonna re-up, but I got it right back and I'm through it.
Hit me again. What's up? Oh, hey, watch out, watch out. Never mind. Yeah.
Trap ain't bump like this, it's so sick, so much shit. Start you on again. Clear it out. Stick 'em, air it out. Wear mouse. I ain't never about to give 'em. Fair mouse. I ain't never finna hit 'em with. Triple in the double up stage. Quarter brick, another half, and I got enough 20 on the
Bitch. Yeah. Hey, edit it and make it seem like I won. I'll give you a cheesecake. Yeah. Come on.
I decided to sneak snacks into the movie theater, and this is how I did it. Step 1, we proceeded to buy all the snacks at the store. Step 2, we proceeded to duct tape all the snacks around his legs. Yup, we're done. And the rest, I'll just show you.
Ask your girl what coochie snot is, it will be funny.
Tell me what coochie snot is.
Hmm?
Coochie snot.
How do you know what that is?
What you mean?
I'm in the restroom, dude.
What's coochie snot?
What?
Do you know what coochie snot is?
No. What's good?
Hey,
Hey,
do you know what coochie snot is?
coochie snot?
Yeah.
Is that like the fucking shit that comes out of girls?
I don't know.
Or-
That's how I'm asking. I don't know. Hey, do you know what coochie snot is?
Are you talking about discharge?
Discharge.
It's like something that cleans out your coochie. It's like a clean liquid that comes out of your coochie.
Astro. Yeah. Hey.
Alright guys, we're going on a private yacht right now.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Yeah. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light.
It was just my mom's birthday, so I decided to get her a gift. So I spent all my money to get her this necklace. And sit right there. Sit. Alright, scoot a little bit to your other side. Keep going. Keep going.
Do what?
Open your eyes.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Thank you, man. Shooting star leaping through the sky.
I'll never let go. What?